12th standard maths, business maths, accounts, engineering, BE, BTech and ME, MTech maths. For any queries, please contact numericalacademy@gmail.com.
Hello friends, welcome to Numerical Academy. Today I am going to discuss the important sum. In my previous accountancy video, I have discussed the important topics. I have provided the link in the description box. Please see the video till last to know the important sum. Also like and share Numerical Academy. Let's go inside the video. 3. Accounts of partnership, firms and fundamentals. Meaning and definitions and features of partnership, very important. Partnership need important. Illustration 1 also very important. Finance not important. There are fixed capital method and the fluctuation capital method. There are in two topics in this lesson. Starting partnership of accounts, fixed capital method, partnership of accounts and partnership of current accounts. There are two. Illustration 2 also important. 3 is not important. Fluctuation capital method, partnership capital account. Only one account in the fluctuation capital account. Partnership capital account, there are two accounts, current account and capital account. Illustration 4 important. Difference between capital method and fluctuation capital method, very important in this lesson. Compulsory they will ask in public exam. Interest on capital. Please see the formats. Interest on capital, journal entries. There are both closing, opening, providing interest on capital and closing interest on providing capital. Calculating interest on capital. Please see the journal entry, add and less. Lesson 5 is not important. 6th one important. 8th one very important. Interest on drawing. Please see the formats, journal entries. Direct method, there are direct method and indirect method. Illustration 12 is very important. Please see the format. Interest on drawing, amount of cap drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. They are included in the sum. They will ask in questions which year we have to calculate 12% of interest, 6%, 4%, 3%. Illustration 14 important, as well as 15. Average profit method. Please see the table, monthly, quarterly and half yearly, beginning, middle, end. Please see the important. This is important. They will ask in average period table. They will ask questions 1, 2, 3. See there. Illustration 16 important, 17 also important, 18 also important. Salary commission of partners. Please see the formats. They will ask in compulsory questions. 20 some important because they are two commissions as well as salary. Interest on loan. Please see the formats. There are profit and loss approximation account. please see the format because they will ask in 5 marks, important 5 marks, easiest as well as 5 marks, compulsory 5 marks. Illustration 21 also important, 22 also important, as well as 23. Please see illustration 21, there are journal entries. Illustration 22 and 23, they are asked in. Like, share and subscribe to our Numerical Academy. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section. For any doubt, please contact numericalacademy@gmail.com.